Okay. This came in yesterday. Why is my light not working? There we go. This came in yesterday. I don't know what's in it. I think I have an idea of what's in it. If so, we'll be seeing this play. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing. It's not open. You see the seal has not been broken. I'm going to take my scissors here. Yes, my scissors here. And I'm going to open this. It's just going to be hard to do one-handed. I should have gotten somebody to help me hold the camera. Okay. I think that... not quite. Okay. There we go. There we go. It's all the way across now. Think, if I remember right. Yeah, there we go. See? Unboxed. Well, okay, not quite, but we're getting there. And I ought to be doing this with the other hand because it's easier. Yes, my left hand is easier. Oh, it is a mug. I don't know what kind of mug yet, though, but it is a mug. See? It is a mug. I have to take that off the thing. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wow. Hi, Kenny. Oh, that is so cool. I love it. Oh, thank you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, man, that is so cool. Oh, yeah. Guess what I'm going to be drinking out of soon? This is what Teespring sends, guys. This is the quality of work you get. It's about I think it's an 11 ounce cup. But yeah, this is what we get for our money. They're not. Oh my gosh, it's got. Oh wow, that is so cool. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Mysterio. Thank you, Kenny. Mwah. Thank you so much. I know where this is going. I'm going to sit it right there so I can stop the filming. But thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate it.